Hey guys, how are you all doing? Everything good? Edipo Kleber here, reporting directly from the construction site. Let me show you how this apartment we're renovating is turning out. Really fancy, pure luxury, and there are a lot of cool ideas here. For example, the lighting, look, the recessed ceiling detail, and the wooden panel back here. Come take a walk with me. Let's do a full tour of this apartment so you can see how it's turning out. We're actually in the final phase now. Yeah, in the next few days or the next few weeks, these will be our last ones here. Take advantage because there's a lot of cool decoration here, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, okay? Yes, subscribe, hit like on this link and like this video too. Leave your comment if you saw something interesting here, or if you have any questions, just comment below. Come with me, let's take a tour of this apartment. Look guys, we integrated the balcony with the living room. There used to be a door and a wall here. We removed the door and also the window, right? And the wall that was here. And we integrated everything. We even included the kitchen, right? So what did we do? Neutral white lighting with this LED strip here in the kitchen. The countertop is still going to be installed here. And the cabinet is about to arrive as well. All of this that you're seeing here is porcelain tile that's covered up, okay? As soon as we finish, we're going to remove all of this. Check out how beautiful this big carpentry panel is. A TV stand will go there, air conditioning, ceiling cassette, spotlighting. Let me show you the laundry area first. Here it is for you. Look at this. Remember this door? You click it and it comes out of the wall with a soft close. Look at that, how cool. You can't really see it, right? The laundry room after the door is closed. Let me click it here. Gas water heater, a washer and dryer tower, right? Washer and dryer tower. Later it will be built into the cabinet here. A countertop will go here too, a nice one which will be the laundry room counter. This is the kitchen area, right? Let's go in here just a bit to show you the living room. A glass door will be installed here. Look, this space here is the client's office. A glass door will be installed here. It's about to arrive too. This same custom millwork panel you're seeing here will close this area, look, all the way to the end. There will be a coffee nook over there. It's going to look really cool, really beautiful in this little corner here. Just wait and I'll show you. We also included a panel here in the design. Look, later another cabinet will be added here as well. The AC condenser, it's right there. Check out the beautiful porcelain tile we used in his barbecue area. There will also be a countertop here, right? It's at the stone fabricator. It's about to arrive too. And look how beautiful this apartment is turning out. Let's go in here now to the private area of the apartment. We have a hallway here that gives access to the bedrooms. Let me go into the guest bathroom right away. Take a look. Look at how beautiful this guest bathroom is. Look at this. We installed 6 spotlights here, right? Contrasting with the all black fixtures. The countertop will still be installed here. There will be a nice mirror here too. Look how cool. Single bedroom. Check this out. I'll set everything up for you later, including the lighting. There's the panel, and the single bed will go in that corner. Alright, lit curtain recess. We also have spotlights here. Wardrobe. Let me come in here now into the primary bedroom. Look how cool this is. This is the ensuite bathroom, okay? We installed 6 spotlights. There's an illuminated niche. There's lighting here as well. We're going to replace this toilet. Shower enclosure with 2 folding doors, right? To make a wider passageway. And the suite, right? We have a beautiful panel over there. We have an illuminated curtain rail, illuminated with a pendant light. There's this beautiful panel here as well. In the area where the client's TV will be, right? After we finish, I'll remove all these plastic covers that are protecting the wardrobes here. Glass, right? Mirror here, look. So the client can see themselves every day, right? It looks really nice too. And that's basically the tour. Look at the vases here, see? Level model. Total clean by Deca. Okay, both of them. We're going to install them in both the guest bathroom and the suite bathroom. So did you see how cool that is? What a nice tour. An apartment project. This apartment here is 88 square meters. We're in the final stage. We did the design and also all the execution of this apartment. In other words, the client hired me. I did the design. You can see here, right, how it's coming along. As soon as we finish, I'll make a final video here for you. And also all the execution. From floor to ceiling, everything is ours here. All ARC, 7, all ethical. Okay? Carpentry, marble work, yeah, glass, air conditioning, everything. The whole project, the execution was done by us and also managed by me. This project here, what did you think? Leave a comment. Did you see anything cool here? Wait, there's still going to be the final video. After everything is finished, looking great, there will be an island sofa right here where I am. Look, it's going to be beautiful. You guys wait, this apartment is going to be out of this world. All right? Share this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, like this video too. And leave your comment if you saw anything interesting or if you have any questions, comment down below and we'll chat. Take care.